Okay, you guys, what's going on? What's up? I hope you guys are doing good. My name is Sassy and you guys are going to be watching the new collection of Morphe and Jaclynhill, the Master Brush Collection. I'm going to be sharing with you guys every single brush. I'm going to tell you my favorite ones, and I'm going to tell you the ones that I don't like, that I think is unuseful, and the ones that you really need. Before we start, you guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, become part of the Sahony.b family, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys don't miss any future videos. Let's get right into it. What's going on, everybody? Okay, you guys, so let's get right into it. This is the Morphe and Jaclynhill brush collection, and in here, you guys, we have face brushes and eye brushes. Let me tell you about the price first. So like a whole complete set is $165. Let me tell you right now, I would not pay $165 for a set of brushes. Like, that's just fucking insane. No, it's not happening. As much as I love Morphe, as much as I love Jaclynhill, it's no, it's not happening. So you are able to get the brushes separately, and what I mean by that is that they do sell the face brushes separately, and they sell the eye brushes separately in a collection. Basically, Face Master Collection, which is the face brushes, is $58. That is more reasonable. And then the Eye Master Collection, which is all the eye brushes, is $42. These brushes did launch on August 28th. Anyways, it's available on their website, and you are able to use affiliated code. I am not affiliated with Morphe. I don't get paid to tell you guys this. I'm just doing it because I want to do it, and because I know you guys want to see this. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you all of the brushes individually, share with you guys my opinion, share my thoughts on it. I don't have shit to hide, so if you guys want to watch, keep watching. If not, that's totally fine with me. Also, the thing that I like about this, you guys, is that you get a case. So if you buy the whole entire collection, which is $165, you do get a case for all your brushes, which is freaking awesome. And this is one of the cases for the like entire collection that you'll get, and it's definitely super pretty. I'm not even gonna lie, it's like all a glittery type of thing. Again, you guys, I'm not saying do not buy it. If you have the money, of course, if you're a brush hoarder, if you're a brush lover, go ahead and buy it. Like, do you know what I mean? You do get a little case for every brush collection that you buy, so that's pretty freaking awesome. At least you're getting something else out of it, right? Not just the brushes alone. Let me go ahead and show you guys the brushes each individually. So the brushes do range from like $8 to $24 for each one individually. Don't quote me on that. I'll make sure to link everything down below and also here so you guys can see the actual price, because that might be blurry here. Anyways, let's get right into this and show you guys the brushes. Show you how many brushes can fit in here, just in case you guys are wondering. So I'm gonna be putting all of the face brushes first to see. So currently I have all of the face brushes right now in here, and it closed normally. It won't open, as you can see, like it'll stay shut. So that's pretty good. So right now I only have the face brushes. Let's go ahead and put the eye brushes now. So I just went ahead and put all of the eye brushes as well, so you guys can see that they do all fit. Let's go ahead and shut it out. And I like that it will stay shut, like it won't open. It has like a magnetic closure, which is really good, and it really works because it doesn't just like open up. So that's that. You get a heavy duty case in my opinion, so that's good. So I'm actually gonna start with a brush J40 right here. So the brush is definitely, it's like any other brush, you guys. It's picking up the colors pretty well. Everything is working perfectly fine. And now I'm actually gonna take JH37. I really like this brush, you guys. It's really nice. And now I'm gonna take J33, which is more like a flat, fluffy brush. And I'm gonna use this just to kind of like feather out those edges once again. Okay, you guys, so now next I'm gonna use the brush JH41 to cut the crease. So you guys can see if this works to cut the crease or not. It's not as precise as I would like it to be, to actually get that like that sharp and precise cut on the crease. I thought this was gonna be like the best bum brush ever to cut the crease, but it's actually not my favorite. Hey guys, I'm gonna be using the JH03 to apply like my foundation. I hope this works as a foundation because it doesn't have much density to it, but I think it will be perfect to like buff it out. So let's see how that works. Oh, you guys, like right away I'm already loving it. Ooh. I'm not even kidding, you guys. Like the way it's applying this, right now I'm highly recommending this. Holy crap, it's so beautiful. Face brushes are really not that necessary in my opinion, but you know, again, if you got the money, if you want it, go ahead and get it. You like to powder your face, this is actually really nice and rounded. Like look how cute this is, and it's fluffy, it feels, and it's really big if you guys are into big brushes. So. Okay, you guys, so my final verdict about these brushes, do I recommend them? Do I recommend them? I'm gonna be 100% honest. If you like, do you really need more brushes? Personally, for myself, I do. 100% you guys been here. I do love the eye brushes. I think they're definitely worth it. They blend out really nice, they work really nice. I feel like the eye set is what I highly recommend, just because the face brushes, you don't really need like this huge powder brush. Like you don't really need to spend, I don't know how much is this one to be honest, but I'm sure it goes very expensive when it comes to buying them individually. I feel like you waste more money, but I don't think you really need like all these crazy face brushes. Like usually majority of us apply foundation with a sponge, or even powder now we apply it with a sponge. So I don't know if that face brush set is that necessary, but to be honest, the quality is really nice. They feel super soft, guys, but do you really need it? That's on you. I definitely recommend the brushes. They're very well manufactured. I think they did a really good job. I haven't watched them yet, so I definitely keep you guys updated on that. If you want to continue seeing these brushes after I wash them and things like that, make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat and also Instagram, because I'm always there. I'll definitely keep you guys updated with these brushes, but I definitely highly 100% recommend the eye brush set. I think is worth every penny. Yeah, but without further ado, you guys, I'll see you on my next one.